If you're selling your own products on Shopify and you're looking for ways to increase your average order value, maybe even your profits, and you're looking for ways to do so quickly, you might have thought about using dropship products on your own store to offer as upsells. In this video, we're going to walk through whether that's a good idea or not and what are some things to consider before doing this. Hey, welcome back. If you're new to Launch and Scale, I'm Khierstyn, and on this channel, we help e-commerce sellers just like you own your channel and own your audience. So let's get into it. Earlier this week, I was catching up with one of the brands that we support, and she was looking for ways to increase her average order value for various reasons. She sells supplements on her own Shopify channel, and unfortunately, while she has a high order volume, her average order value is under $50, which means that she has to get a lot of customers to see an increase in revenue. So she's looking for ways to quickly and easily add an extra $20, $30 during that checkout process through upsells. And of course, instead of her looking to increase more custom formulations that she has already put out, she was considering using dropship products because it's actually really easy to source other products that would benefit your customers, just sell under a different brand. So she asked me on a call, she's like, this is one way I'm thinking of increasing our AOV. And I was like, honestly, you have a premium brand, you offer custom formulations, and you are very specific with the brand positioning that you have. So if you actually bring in someone else's product and you're not selling it under your brand name, what's the difference between you and all the other drop shipper or white label supplement companies in your space? Unfortunately, I told her that my experience of this is that if she were to do that to bring in other supplements that other people are selling, it's actually going to cheapen the perception of her brand. And because that she has positioned herself as one of the premium, the best in her space, we have to protect her brand reputation and make sure that she continues to stand out and be unique. And unfortunately, by offering commoditized products on her website, that would have definitely cheapened the brand and hurt her long term. So what came out of this conversation is that she has continued to focus on building a premium, standout, unique brand and not be commoditized. And so, long story short, while bringing in dropship products may be the fastest and easiest thing to do, it doesn't necessarily make it the best if you are looking at creating your own category and standing out as a breakout product. But that's just my humble opinion. In the comments, what do you think about offering dropship products on a brand name's website? Do you think it cheapens the brand? Do you think it's actually better for customers? Let me know below. Talk soon.